Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of HRD 636. Our final week, really, we're through the content of the course, and I want to congratulate you on getting to this point. Really, what we're going to be doing over the next couple of weeks is there's no more new materials, but I would encourage you, if you miss something, you can always circle back. Everything is available on the site at this point. So, this week starts on April 15th. And before I get to kind of what's involved, how are we going to wrap this up? And I will have another video coming out next weekend. But I wanted to say assignment 5 is due tomorrow, which is Sunday, April 14th. And you're all pros at this point, knowing what's coming up, but if you have any question on that assignment, please let me know. If you're running behind, you need an extra day or so, just shoot me an email and we can figure something out. And then what we have really two other things coming up. We have assignment number 6, and we have the course project, which is basically, that's the major assignment of the course. We've been talking about that all semester. That's a summary of each one of the assignments that you've already submitted, but it's not just individual. It's not a copy and paste. I want you to basically tell the story and do this as you would a formal proposal. You might be saying, okay, remind me once again of what the components are. Well, I'm going to go into those as we speak. You come into the proposal, and I'm not going to read this to you because I am available for one-on-one sessions. If you want to Zoom with me, you want to email, you want whatever it might be, have a telephone call, but all of the materials are in here. And I get into some detail. It's worth 50 points. Things like the title and the brief description, 1. As with each one of these assignments, I encourage you to follow. This is, in effect, the rubrics right here. I encourage you to find that or follow that, because if you do, your grade, it's a pretty straightforward formula. I do use this criteria. And, please put in a syllabus and a training agenda. That would give you 3 points. If you forget any of these, it's what happens at the end of the semester is there's just not that many days between when we finish the course and when I have to submit the final grades to the registrar's office. So there's not a lot of time. I might say, or I might be grading it, and early on in the course I might say, okay, you forgot to add the syllabus or the training agenda to this. Shoot it back to you and say, send it to me by the end of the week. I don't have that luxury towards the end of the class. So please be careful. Excuse me. Be careful and look for the details in this assignment, and mostly the rubrics. Let me get out of here. Here's all the assignments, and basically we're down to the final 2 here. Module 8, which really is nothing more than the assignments that are due. There are some materials that you can take a look at. And over here in Module 8, and I need to make this available to everybody. Right there. Module 8, there is some reading and resources. These are basically a repeat of what we've studied so far this semester. And then we have the 2 assignments that are due. And once again, to find information on these, just click on it and you'll get all of that. So that's it for me. I'll have another video coming up next weekend just to kind of check in. But in the meantime, if anybody needs help wrapping up this course, please let me know. You've done the hard work so far. Now it's tying it together and submitting your final proposal, which is, once again, a summary and all of the individual assignments that you've done. Okay, everybody, hope you have a great weekend. And, today's Saturday. If you need to do anything, recircle back for any reason. Everything is available on the course site. Have a great weekend, and we'll see everybody online. Bye.